Right. Asiye kwenye theorem. Theorem ithini? Ithi angles ayiseyodwa ke manje. Ekuqaleni besine angle subtended by a chord or an arc at the center. Right? Besine yodwa which was subtended at the center, and sine yodwa which was subtended at the circumference. Right? But this time we've got angles subtended by a chord, which means you have to understand kufanele wazi ukuthi chord yini nama angles yini, bese phezulu kwalokho uzokwazi ukuthi ukusubtenda ukwenze njani. Ukusubtenda is to support. Ukusubtenda is ukwakhela phezulu. Yayibona? Meaning that angle okukhulunywa ngayo depends incike ekubeni lokhu kube khona. Like for instance, uma ngizothatha nansi i-compass yami, uma ngizothatha i-compass yami ivaliwe inje, it has no angle. But if I decide to open the compass yami like this, it creates an angle up there. But this angle depends, le angle ela incike ekutheni lo uvuleke kangakanani. The bigger I open the arms, ngesikhathi ngwavula imlenze yale compass, ne angle lapha phezulu ivuleka ngendlela efanayo. Kanjalo manginciphisa i-gap phakathi kwemlenze, ne-angle lapha phezulu iyanciphiseka. So ngithini ke kuwena? Ngithi leya angle incike ekutheni, ubukhulu bayo buncika ekutheni la kunwebeke kangakanani noma kuvaleke kangakanani. So that is what is to subtend or depends on. Thiwa ke lama angles lawa akhele phezulu kwale chord yale circle, wona on the same side of the chord are equal. Angles subtended by a chord of the circle on the same side of the chord are equal. Kusho ukuthini lokhu? Lokhu kusho ukuthi uma ngine circle, kule circle yami bese ngiba ne chord on the same side, it's either la noma la. Ngoba mangila ikwelinye icala le chord, mangila ngikwelinye icala le chord. Ngoba i-chord yami iyayidivide i-circle into two parts. Kufike kube ile part la which we call it a minor arc. Bese kuba ile part ela which we call it a major arc. Anti ayibona leyo, a major arc. So uma ke i-chord i-divide i-circle yami, i-divide kabili, bese kuleyo chord leyo ekhona ngakhela phezulu kwayo ama angles. Ngase side nelodwa asithi ngikhetha a major one, bese ngiyahamba ngiya kwi major ngiyokwakha ama angles. Enye izoba la, enye ibela, enye ibela, enye ibela, enye ibela. Thiwa wonke lawo ma angles kanjani? Ayalingana ngoba akhele phezulu kwe chord eyodwa. Akhele phezulu kwe chord eyodwa. Akhele phezulu kwe chord eyodwa. Wonke akhele phezulu kwe chord eyodwa. Wonke akhele phezulu kwe chord eyodwa. Imaphi ke lama angles esikhuluma ngawo? Yilawa lapha phezulu. Noma uwabuka ngamehlo enyama, noma uwabuka ngamehlo enyama, lama angles lawa azisho wona uwabuka ngamehlo enyama acisha bonakala ukuthi ayalingana. Angithi siyabona leyo nto ngoba ukuvulwa nokuvuleka kwawo la phansi ikhona okudeterminisha, ikhona okushoyo ukuthi wena lapha yana uzoba kangakanani. Athi siyayizwa lento engiyishoyo. So ke i-theorem yona bese ithi mayikhuluma ithi angles nanka uyawabona maningi kanjani. Ithi if those angles are subtended by a chord, nansi chord ewakhayo of a circle on the same side, wonke asendaweni eyodwa ngasecaleni elilodwa of the chord, kuthiwa ke wona ayolingana noma ngabe kuthiwani. Kusho ukuthi thina fanele siyiprove lento ukuthi njalo ngempela yini. Ekuyiproveni kwethu ukuthi njalo ngempela yini, sizosebenzisa isketch njengoba kukho konke okunye kade sisebenzisa isketch. Nasi ke i-drawing yethu sesiyidwebile. I want us to pick any 2 points. Asikhethe nansi point yethu yokuqala. Esibili point yethu nansi. Bese ngithi asidwebeni ke bakithi i-chord yethu kule circle yethu. Nansi i-chord yethu la isiyidweba khona. I-chord yethu siyavumelana ukuthi ihlukanise i-circle yethu kabili. Khona le ndawo enkulu bese kuba khona le ndawo encane, minor and major, but wonke lezi ndawo zibizwa ngama-arc. This one is a minor arc, this one is a major arc. Sometimes bayibiza ama-segment. This is a major segment or a minor segment. Uma sesikwenzile lokho bese siyawajoyina lawa ma-point, siwajoyine kwi-chord yethu. Masiwajoyina kwi-chord yethu into eyenzakalayo yile. Into eyenzakalayo yile. Right? Nansi into eyenzakalayo. Nansi angle eyakhekayo on one side. Siphinde siyokwakha enye i-angle on the same side. Siyokwakha enye i-angle on the same side. Nanso ke enye i-angle sesiyakhile. Siwakhile lama angles womabili. Asiwaqambe amagama akhe. Ama angles ethu le u-A le u-B. Ngenye indlela kuthiwa thina sikhombisa ukuthi u-angle A uyalingana no-angle B. Asisho ukuthi sisukela kuphi. Thina sisukela kwi-chord. Nansi i-chord esiyisebenzisile. Iubani? iu-QR. I-chord yethu is QR. Sifuna njalo ukuprove ukuthi laba bobabili banjani? Bayalingana. Angithi? Sifuna ukubaprove ukuthi bayalingana. Right. Kule circle yethu asipointe i-center. Ikuphi i-center yethu? Kule circle yethu. Masibuka i-circle yethu nansi center. Right? Nansi center yethu. Now asambeni ke siye kwi center siyokwakha an angle at the center, by the same chord, nansi. Yabona ke kujwayelekile ke lokhu futhi ngeke kungethuse. Sesiyakhileke iangle yethu escenter. Asibize yona ngokuthi u-L. Right? U-L. Kujwayelekile ke lokhu. Uyabona kwisithombe ungaqala ufake izinto. Isithombe sigcina sesiconfuse. Kanti kahle sona siyafana nezinto wena osuke usuzenzile. Siyafana. Ngicela sithathe ublack, ublue lo, ublack lo, ugreen lo. Ngicela sithathe ublue. Ugreen no black. Yedwa nje. Ugreen no black. Sibone ukuthi asiyiboni yini into enje masithatha ugreen siphinde sithathe ublack. Sibone ukuthi asizukuyibona yini into enje. Asiyiboni yini into enje, but leyo nto injalo kodwa yakhele phezu ka red. Siyayibona. Le ise center le. L. Le ayikho center. On the circumference kwi circle uqobo B. Bese kuthi la kube khona uQ R. Angithi siyabona? Thina siqeda ukuprove ukuthi an angle at the center le is twice that one. Angithi lo kwi theorem engemuva kwale siqeda ukuprove leyo nto ukuthi an angle at the center is doubled the angle at the circumference. So nakhona ke la ngoba lento siyenze kwi circle sizosho into efanayo ukuthi statement sethu esikushoyo versus izathu zethu, our reasons. Yini sisho lokhu? Sithi ke u-angle L lo usesenta uyalingana no twice angle at B lo. Isizathu salokho yini? We can say proved ngoba kade sikwenza ngemuva, okanye sithi a theorem or a center, an angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. Noma sikubhale sithi centered angle is doubled angle at B. Centered angle L is doubled angle B. Bese sibhala la sithini? Sithi theorem. Ngoba theorem esho kanjalo. It's a statement that we can prove. Kanjalo futhi noma siyothatha u-black no blue. Masiyothatha u-black no blue la sino A, la sino Q, laphaya sino R. Sithatha blue no black. Nanku blue wethu. Bese siyahamba siya ku red wethu. Ku black wethu. Nanku black wethu. Bobabili bakhele kubani? Ku red. They are subtended by the red, which is our chord. This is our center. This is our QR. Right? This is the angle at the center. This is the angle at the circumference. Once again, angle at L is twice angle at A. Why do we say that? Centered angle L is twice at A. This is our theorem. There is no harm in that. There is no harm in that. Now, asibuke. Lo nalo bayefana. Do you see that? Lo nalo bayefana. Futhi lo ulingana nalo. Okusho ukuthi esikhundleni sika lo mina ngiyakwazi ukusebenzisa lo. Ngoba lo ulingana nalo kanti lo ulingana nalo. Therefore, that brings me to a conclusion 80. Twice A is equals to twice B. And divide by 2, angle at A is equals to angle at B. Now, sesikuprovile ukuthi leya angle leya ya egu B iyalingana nale angle ekubani? Egu A. Ngoba le proof yethu esiyenza la ibisukela kwi theorem ekade siqeda ukuyenza ethi the angle at the center is doubled the one at the circumference. So if this one is twice that, this one also will be twice that. So uma le uyiphinda kabili lingana nale uyiphinda kabili lingana nale, kusho ukuthi laba bona bebodwa namba bayalingana. Then you divide by 2, then you are left with A and a B. So that's how we can prove that the angle at the circumference, angles subtended by the same chord on the same segment on the circumference. Haile on the circumference. Ngisho ngadweba iphenye. Ngisho singathatha enye la, sithatha enye la phaya. Le will be doubled. Le will be 2 times the value of this. This one will be 2 times the value of that. This will be half this. This will be 2 times half of this, and this will be 2 times that. 2 times that and 2 times that, those two also will be equal. So that is how we prove that theorem. It's short, very precise, ngoba siqhamuka kuyona kade siyiprove, but sebeyibeka ngenye indlela njengamanje. So we show it that way ukuthi it is correct. So this one also closes this part.